अभी आपको बरह रास्त इस्लाम आबाद ले चलते हैं, जहां वजीर आज़म पाकिस्तान शहबाज शरीफ तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Industrial promotion in various walks of life, and your contribution has not only led to job opportunities and industrial production, but it has further strengthened our brotherly and economic ties. Recently we celebrated our decade of CPAC under Belt and Road, a very innovative and visionary vision of President Xi Jinping. And ever since 2015, we have not looked back, and about $30 billion worth investments were made in Pakistan by Chinese companies. So it is not wrong to conclude that Chinese companies, the government of China, under the leadership of President Xi Jinping, has really contributed in a way unknown in the annals of history in the recent past, and has really transformed our economic landscape in Pakistan. Now we are entering into the second phase of CPAC, which is green corridor, which is innovation, which is IT corridor, which is special economic zones like Rashakai. Of course, all this will be now undertaken under a different model, and that is between B2B, business to business. Of course, under the umbrella of Chinese government and the government of Pakistan. And now we will dovetail this with SIFC, which is a great initiative launched by the government of Pakistan, and its broad contours are the following. It will be the whole of the government, which includes federal government and provincial governments, and it will include our institutions, particularly the institution of Pakistan Army, led by General Syed Asim Munir, who has personally contributed in this program in a way that it has no parallel in the past. And it is not because of he wants his personal promotion, but he is totally dedicated to promote the cause of Pakistan, of those teeming millions in this country who have education but no jobs, who have talent but are unemployed, who can contribute in the nation building efforts in a way which is most befitting for Pakistan's industrial agricultural cause, but lack in resources. So this program, SIFC, will dovetail with this entire CPAC mechanism and will be a propeller in terms of Pakistan's industrial and agri progress. I'd like to thank Madam Pang for her personal commitment and support to not only CPAC but friendship between the two countries. She has been extremely helpful while Pakistan was passing through very difficult financial challenge up to our program with IMF. Without President Xi Jinping's personal support, government of China and charge d'affaires, this journey would have been in deep trouble. I'd like to thank my colleagues, federal ministers, who are present here and who are not present here. My Foreign Minister, Foreign Secretary, Ambassador Fatmi, Mr. Zafar Mahmood, and Minister of Water and Power, Minister of Power, and the Finance Minister, Minister of Planning, and Minister of Commerce. All of them have contributed like a team to cross this hump and these difficult times, and gave me immense support and assistance. I would like to say my very friendly advice to Chinese companies sitting here, that you have done a great job. I know you have had difficult times. I know you have faced problems, but I can assure you those times are over. We are entering into a new phase of cooperation between the two countries. We are streamlining our procedures, we are simplifying them, and we are going to do this under one umbrella as a one-window operation. And this I mean in letter and spirit, not just words, but true implementation. Thank you very much for gracing this occasion. Pak Chin Dosti, Zindabad, Pak China Friendship, Zindabad, Pakistan, Paindabad.
वजीर आबाद में वजीर आज़म محمد शहबाज शरीफ तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। उनका कहना था कि मुल्क की सलामती के लिए नौजवान नस्ल का आगे आना बहुत ज़रूरी है और 9 मई के वाक़यात की पुरजोर मज़म्मत करते हैं।